Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove cameos on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Say if you've taken a Cameo selfie and you don't like it, I'll walk you through steps to remove that Cameo completely. So let's open up Snapchat here, and I'm going to swipe to the right, and I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to just tap on a random person. You can see the smiley face right next to the text bubble. I'm going to tap on that. And then towards the bottom, right next to the face, it's a face of me with the heart and the rainbows. These are all of the different cameos. And you can see that it has my specific photo that I've taken, my selfie that I've taken in there. Now, if I want to remove that, I have two different options. One is I can retake a new selfie to be able to use as the Cameo. To do that, I can tap and hold on any one of these and just tap New Selfie. And then I can create a new selfie, take the photo, or upload a photo from the camera roll to be able to use as that new selfie for the Cameo. However, if you want to completely remove it, you can also completely remove the Cameo as well. To do that, let's go back out of here, tap on our profile icon at the top left here, and then tap on the settings, the gear icon at the top right. And then we will scroll down all the way to the bottom. So under account actions, you can see the third option is clear my Cameo selfie. So I can tap on that, and it says this will delete your current Cameo selfie, selected body type and related photo data. You will have to take a new Cameo selfie to be able to access Cameos. So I can hit clear here, and that completely removed my Cameo selfie. If I want to use another Cameo, I would have to take a brand new selfie or upload a photo of myself to use. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.